Next control is date time picker. Double click on date time picker. Date time picker is used to show date, select date and time. Run the project. Get a calendar. Select a time. Select a date. Date time picker has many useful properties like a calendar font. We can change the calendar font like bold and 14. Okay. Now it is bold and for next month and for preview month. We can change the calendar for color like we change it in red. Run the project. Now it is red. We change the calendar month color green. Run the project. This is green. We change the calendar titles for color like blue and run the project. This is blue. We change here January, February, March, October. And change like this. This is today. We can change the format of the appearing date and time. Go to the property and format, select format, short format. We see this type. Time. They show the time. And custom. This type. Maximum date that we can show December 1999. We change it. This is not changeable. This is the alignment, right to left, left to right. This is the size. If we want to show the date and time in this text box, then double click and text box 1 dot text equal to date time picker 1 dot text. and run the project. We get it. If we don't want to see that this is not activated, then visual property set false and run the project. Now this is not visual. This was the use of date time picker.